So for some reason, some of my batteries, when you push them in, I think the inside the drill, the where it presses in here, if it goes all the way, it doesn't like connect hard enough. But if you pull it back just a little bit, about the thickness of a piece of cardboard or a thin piece of cardboard, then it's fine. Now I try. Sometimes I can take a rod in there and put them together a little bit more and fix it, but what's weird is the batteries vary a little bit. Some of them are fine and some are not. So I decided to put a little bit of silicone on the end of this one. Now most of it's clear now, but it's still drying. Just to, when it goes in, it's not going to go in all the way. At least this battery seems to be going in too far or not connecting well. So all I did was put some silicone there, and I think it's going to work good. But we'll try that once it's all clear and dry. Okay, just a little side note there on tools.